Join me on a wild kayaking adventure. As I take on the rugged waters, I launch into the rough surf, paddling through big waves to reach my secret fishing spot. The catch is worth the challenge. I reel on some beautiful fish, but my celebration is short-lived as a sudden gust of wind sweeps me away, cutting my fishing trip short. Hang on tight and enjoy the ride as I navigate through the choppy waters and try to make it back to shore. Will I make it out okay, or the wind and waves get the best of me? Watch to find out. Okay, we're just down at the beach, going out for a fish. Gonna launch the kayak. The waves are reasonably small, but they're not teeny, so hopefully that goes well. And yeah, looks really good. I see a good sized birdwork up out there. It's fairly far out, about 5k's or slightly less, but it looks big, so hopefully there's some fish underneath, and let's go. As you can see here, the weather was nice and sunny, but I was in for a big surprise later that day. Okay, the waves are pretty big, but let's do this. Okay, let's go. Oh no, let's go. Let's go before these waves come. Waves are coming. Oh. Let's go. Oh no, we're gonna get drenched. Ugh. We're right in the tipping zone. Okay, I'm getting out here, but it's fairly choppy. And yeah, we don't see any birds right now. I see some birds out there. Lucky that wind says it's meant to die down. Little did I know, I was completely wrong. Anyway, where I'm going to be getting the kayak, like, I'm going to take it into the corner so I can just go with the wind and swell on the way back. Be super easy. I just had a quick cast just then, and seriously, it's pretty choppy out here. Well, but there's fish, because oh, I don't know what that's from, but yeah, there's fish, so that is good. That's very good. Here you can see me trying to set my drag because it was too tight. Yeah, got a little snap out here. That's good. Holy moly. Better take him home if he's legal then. There we go. Got a little snap here. I'm going to measure them. Should be legal. I've got a measuring thing down here. Those waves don't make it any easier. Let me check. Oh, he's about 35 actually. Okay, let's try and get another one. Yep. Nice fish. Oh, it's a big fish. He's a big boy. He's completely calmed me, eh? Alright. This is a big fish. Come on, don't lose him. Oh, he's a good boy. Just gotta keep the pressure on him, boys. I've got a really sore arm. Oh no, he's actually spoiling me. No, he's not spoiling me, he's just... I'm running low on line. Keep the arm up strong. Yeah, you hooked again now, it's like it's gonna start taking off, is it? Oh my goodness! Right. It's gotta be close. He's a good fish. Oh, belly. That's what he is. Nice trevally. Really nice trevally. Got him on that bruised banana soft bait. I'll keep this fella. Really good eating. He's a nice big fella. Trevally, fast growing fish, so don't really matter to keep the big ones. Nice trevally. He's, I'll say, close to 10 pounds. I'll weigh him at shore, tell you. He had to put up a really good fight, and I mean, at least we've come out here, went through this hard fight to get out here, and we've got him. Okay, I just weighed him. He's about 9 pounds. Real nice trevally. Put up a mean scrap. Okay. Gotta catch something else, eh?
All of a sudden, I felt the wind pick up, so I made the call that I need to head in straight away.
Whoa, that wind picked up quick! Made it back, luckily. Okay, it's pretty nice. That trevally, I just weighed it again. It's actually 9.5 pounds. Nice, about 35 little snap. We wasn't out there for long, but we still got some nice little fish there. You can probably see that it was really rough. Like, you can't really see that on the GoPro, But that's rough.
Here you can see me filleting the fish. As you can see, I got a really nice plate full of fish.
Okay, here we have some of that fish that we caught. Just gonna cook it. It's nice and simple way. Just get it and stick it in the flour and cook about 2 minutes on each side, and it should be good. Okay, it's the end of this video. It's not going to be a very long video, but I hope you enjoyed. We got some really nice fish, and that's definitely the choppiest I've been in the kayak. It was a rough ride in, but I mean, we made it, so that's the good thing. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, share, and tell us what you want us to do next.
Come on guys, get off the couch, come outside and have fun.